to Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are going to learn about the problems related to the chapter Arithmetic Progression. First question, find the number of terms in arithmetic progression 7, 13, 19, so on 205. So they have what are all given? They have given the first term. First term means we are represented by A. That is equal to nothing but this 7. And D we know what is that? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means A2 here is the second term, that is 13, and first term, that is 7. 13 minus 7, nothing but 6. And the last term we know what is that? An. An means last term, that is 205. We know the formula to find the terms. What is that? An is equal to nth term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An means the last term here, that is 205. We want to find what? The number of terms. N is equal to how much? 205 is equal to a, we know, that is 7 plus n we don't know, we will write as it is minus 1 into d is 6. 205 minus 7 is equal to plus 7 when comes to RHS, it will become minus 7, n minus 1 into 6. So 205 minus 7, nothing but 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So here 6 is multiplying. When it comes to LHS, it will become divided by. 198 divided by 6 means 6 3s are 18. 1 is remaining 18. 6 3s are 18. 33. I have skipped this step, which is 198 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. This. So 33 and remaining n minus 1. Which implies n is equal to 33 plus 1. What is that? N is equal to 34. Therefore, the number of terms for the given AP is nothing but n is equal to 34. Next question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So let us write the multiples of 4, which is lies between 10 and 250. 10 is not divisible by 4 and 11 also not a multiple of 4. 12. 12 is a multiple of, then after 12, 16, 20 and so on. At the end, see 250 is not a multiple of 4. Correct? See here 250 divided by 4 means 4 sevens are 4 6 are 24. 10 is not the point we are getting. Correct? So 249 is not possible because it ends with 9. Then 248, yes, divided by 4 means 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8. So 248 is the last, which is lies between 10 and 250. Correct? So from this AP, this is one type of AP. Correct? Here A means first term, that is 12. Difference, the multiples of 4 means the D. Common difference is nothing but 4 is 4. Then the last term AN, which is 248. They are asking what? They are asking, we want to find how many. Many means numbers we want. N is equal to how much? Same formula we are in the previous problem. What formula we have applied? We have applied an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An means here the last term, that is 248 is equal to a is first term, that is 12 plus n we don't know, we will write as it is n minus 1 into d is 4. 248 minus 12 is nothing but 236 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. 236 again 36 divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1, which implies 236 divided by 4 means 59, correct? See here, 236 divided by 4. 4 5s are, that is 20, 3 is remaining, 4 9s are 36. That's why 59 is equal to n minus 1. When minus 1 comes to LHS, it will become plus 1. So 59 plus 1, that is 60. So n is equal to 60. So there are 60 numbers, 60 terms are present, lies between 10 and 250, which is a multiple of 4. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. And the keynote related to this arithmetic chapter, you can see in my previous videos. Thank you for watching.